severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Allegany County until 7:45 p.m. At 7:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Genesee, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Whitesville, Andover, Standards, and Painesville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.